Meaning of explorer.
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 Explorer. Explorer refers to a person who travels or explores new places, often for discovery or adventure. The word can also refer to a program on a computer that allows users to browse and navigate files and folders. In both contexts, the word carries a connotation of curiosity, courage, and a willingness to learn or discover the unknown. Whether exploring the world or digital space, an explorer is someone who seeks out new experiences and knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what is known and familiar.